newscaster time. Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the Voice of Indonesia. World with me, Russia. Next one, in Indonesia, COVID-19 cases on the rise. Experts say the Delta variant is one reason. People who are not vaccinated against COVID-19 make up the most cases and deaths among fully vaccinated people. Evidence shows a small minority against breakthrough infection. In medicine, a breakthrough infection happens when a virus breaks through barrier a vaccine provides. Next to a part of India, a second wave of coronavirus infection is causing the health system to fail. Overwhelmed, the capital city of Delhi, the highest daily cases in infection. Hospital beds are full, medicine and oxygen are in short supply. Federal fleets are running out of space. Aid from other nations is coming, but healthcare and burial workers are overwhelmed. Nursery in the early 1950s, researchers found that people scored lower on intelligence tests if they smoked, were taught when linguists. Research in the 1960s found that opposite, so which is it researchers presented the in-news study in February at a meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. Whereas evidence shows that being bilingual does not necessarily make people better, but researchers Ellen Bialystok say it probably does make you better at certain skills.